So last 6 deliveries. How many can Chennai Rhinos score of these 6 deliveries? Full marks to Bengal Tigers. They have taken 8 wickets and they have pegged Chennai Rhinos back. Chennai Rhinos were targeting 160 at one point, which is seems to be the benchmark figure for all the teams on a goodish pitch. But this pitch is not that easy, so this score is not that bad. Even around 130, Bengal Tigers will have to play out of their skins. Chennai Rhinos are a well-oiled team. They've got capable bowlers. It's a good fielding side. And to be fair to Bengal Tigers, Sava, they're just making their way into the CCL. They'll take some time to gel as a team together, find out the core competence of each player. But Sandy's back. He started well. He gave away 14 runs in the first 3 overs. He bowled with a new ball, bowled in the power plays. So he seems to be the strike bowler of the team. The captain looking to him whenever he needs to get runs, get wickets or check runs.
Come on, Sandy. Quite meticulous in his approach and his bowling stride. Waits, watches the batsman's foot movement and then delivers. And that is why it's not so easy to get him away. No wonder he's been extremely miserly in his analysis. So Jeet as a captain has done quite well. He's positioned the fielders in the right places. They've taken so many catches. Their fielding has improved. So all this augurs well for Bengal Tigers. This is good stuff. He's bowling the last over and only given away 1 run.
He's mixing his pace very nicely.
Good job, Sandy. Come on.
Jeet, the captain, must be a pleased man. Ramana, 3 more deliveries. Again, that slog going, trying to get over mid-wicket. The line not there. And cleverly pitched up. Unless you get underneath the ball and scoop it very hard, you can only hit down the ground for a single maybe. And if you get lucky, you can hit in the gap.
Easy. Last one, Sandy. What a bowling performance, Sandy.
This is very good stuff. Very disciplined stuff from Sandy. Sandy has been used quite well by the captain, Jeet. Bowled his 3 overs with the new ball and he has kept him back. And now he's finishing off his spell in this last over. The last ball coming up. Goes for the big shot. He has connected quite well. And the fielder comes just ahead of the ball where it falls. So it goes to the fence. So they finish off in style with a boundary. Albeit, again a misjudgment by the fielder. He ran in hard and he missed the line of the ball. And the ball flew over the fielder's head into the fence. This is a good hit by Ramana. Hit it straight. There was a fielder position precisely for this shot. He wasn't able to judge the trajectory of this shot from Ramana. He ran ahead and just failed to read the line. And the expression tells his own story. So after 20 overs, it's 130 for 8 Chennai Rhinos. But Jeet and his team should feel quite happy with the way they have performed on the field, coming from that setback last weekend against Karnataka Bulldozers.